recovery on this Lincoln MKZ. I ran into a little problem here. Okay, so we do have pure refrigerant. I tested the refrigerant, but when I went to go put my connector on, I cannot get this connector down onto this fitting. I even tried hammering it down, pulling it back, hitting on these edges to get it to go down. It will not get on. But I go get another manufacturer. Now, I've used this connector on hundreds of cars, so it's well broken in and it's proved itself. It's a good connector. Now here's a cheap eBay one, and I put this cheap eBay one on there. Boom, right on, no problem. And it connects all the way through. So there's something up with the machining of this unit here, and there's nothing visible, as you know, it's not oval. I've seen them where they were crushed before for some reason. Somebody put a pair of pliers, I guess, on them before and they crushed them and they were oval. But there is no visible evidence of a problem on this one. It's just the way somehow this thing was machined. This service fitting on the low side that literally has connected to literally hundreds of vehicles, if not 1,000 or more on this particular service fitting, cannot go to this R134 service fitting. But yet, this is one of my newer, cheaper, like $17 fittings. It goes right on, no problem at all. So this is one of the things you'll see every now and then on some manufacturers. Actually, for a while there, Chrysler had some defects on some of their fittings where service fittings wouldn't fit over them. I remember that from several years ago. YF vehicles are having that problem. But this is on a, what is the name of this damn thing? A Lincoln MKZ Lincoln. And my fitting would not fit in. All right, that's just a short showing you the difference between, you know, sometimes you'll run into this problem, but this is why you have 2, 3, 4, 5 different extras of everything. I have duplicates of everything in multiples of 3 or 5 times. So I could just keep switching until I find something that works.